Unit 8. Asking for information.
I'm hoping you can help me.
What do you need help with?
I'm looking for information about visa requirements.
Visa requirements. For what country?
Does it matter what country?
Yes, different countries have different requirements.
Really?
Yes, really. For example, New Zealand has different requirements than United States.
Oh. What is the best way to find information about visa requirements?
Well, maybe you can find information on the internet, but the best thing to do is go to the embassy of the country you want to go to.
So if I go to the embassy, I will find out what information I need.
That's right.
Do you happen to know where the American embassy is?
It's on Broadway Avenue, next to the McDonald's.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
អ្នកត្រូវការឲ្យខ្ញុំជួយអ្វីខ្ញុំកំពុងតែស្វែងរកព័ត៌មាននៃការធ្វើវីសាតើមានវិធីណាដែលល្អបំផុតដើម្បីធ្វើវីសានោះប្រហែលជាអ្នកអាចមើលព័ត៌មានតាមអ៊ីនធឺណិតប៉ុន្តែអ្វីដែលល្អបំផុតគឺត្រូវទៅស្ថានទូតនៃប្រទេសដែលអ្នកចង់ទៅតើអ្នកដឹងថាស្ថានទូតអាមេរិកនៅឯណាទេនៅលើវិថី Broadway Avenue ជាប់នឹង McDonald
Hello, I just wanted to ask what time do you close?
What days, sir?
Oh, Fridays.
On Friday and Saturday, the kitchen closes at midnight and the restaurant closes at 2.
And weekdays?
On weekdays, the kitchen closes at 10 p.m. and the restaurant closes at midnight.
What time do you stop serving drinks?
We stop serving drinks about 10 minutes before closing.
And what time do you open?
We open at 10 a.m. every day.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
ខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែចង់សួរថាតើអ្នកបិទទ្វារនៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន
ថ្ងៃសុក្រនិងថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ផ្ទះបាយបិទទ្វារនៅពាក់កណ្ដាលអាត្រៀតហើយភោជនីយដ្ឋានបិទទ្វារនៅម៉ោង 2 ហើយនៅថ្ងៃធម្មតាផ្ទះបាយបិទទ្វារនៅម៉ោង 10 យប់ឯភោជនីយដ្ឋានវិញបិទទ្វារនៅពាក់កណ្ដាលអាត្រៀត
តើអ្នកជប់បម្រើភេសជ្ជៈនៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន
យើងឈប់បម្រើភេសជ្ជៈប្រហែលជា10នាទីមុនបិទទ្វារ
តើអ្នកបើកទ្វារនៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន
យើងបើកទ្វារនៅម៉ោង 10 ព្រឹកជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃ